Hello friend, today I will quickly show you how to turn on energy saving mode on your LG Smart TV. First, grab your remote and go to settings. You can settings icon in top of the screen. After that, you need to go to all settings. In all settings, scroll down and select support. Now in support, look for the energy saving options. In energy saving menu, you will see it is set in auto by default. Simply switch it to off to disable energy saving mode. And that's it. Energy saving mode is now off. Enjoy your viewing experience without restrictions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share Nera Everything channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will reply to all. Thank you for your watching.